Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we are using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E, F. Now we draw G, G for God. And the next one is H, H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw I. And the next one is J. Now we draw K. The next one is L. And now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Now we are using the color of blue. Kids, now we are using blue color. Subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of O. The next one is P. Now we are using blue color and draw Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S. T. The next one is U. Blue color, blue color. The next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.